Everyone wants a good body shape, but how to maintain it? According to me, bodyweight exercises like some push ups and pull ups for the great upper body. And let's not skip some squats for the prominent legs. What about some short intervals of meditation to keep your mind focused? And sprints to maintain your own cardio health. And in the end, the most important thing, a balanced diet with optimal nutrition. But let's head over to Google and get some concrete facts. The first website which showed up had these following 15 ways. You do 2 hours of exercise per week, you can touch your toes easily, you can hold the plank for 60 seconds, you can finish a 2-mile run, you sleep like a baby, you can do 20 lunges, you have a healthy BMI, and you can do 27 push-ups. So pretty much the common rules anyone would think of. What about this?
Second, late night infomercials lie to us by saying the solution to getting in shape is to exercise, exercise, exercise. Yet studies show that 95% of your body shape has to do with what you eat and not how you work out.
So this advertisement is by Mindvalley. And for those of you who don't know what Mindvalley is,
Mindvalley is an innovative personal transformation learning platform covering all the essential life skills that regular education ignores.
So basically, Mindvalley is an online learning platform run by this guy, Vishen Lakhiani, and one of Mindvalley's premier program is MindFit, created by this guy, Eric Edwards, and whose advertisement we just watched. But let's watch one more of their advertisement.
Stop! Do not exercise. Please don't. I really want you to hear me about this. The vast majority of the people that are out there exercising are doing more damage to their bodies than health.
To be honest, it does make a lot of sense if you watch your whole advertisement. I'll provide link in the description. So you shouldn't exercise. Or should you? Wait, let me give you some insights statistically. For that, let's do a little thought experiment. Just bear with me. And sorry for the crappy drawings. So we have this person and we'll talk about his diet and exercise in percentages. A lower diet percentage addresses high consumption of bad cholesterol, sugar, junk foods, etc. And alternatively, a good diet percentage suggests consumption of proteins, carbohydrates, antioxidants, vitamins, etc. and all the good stuff. And the same goes for exercising as well. A lower percentage means the person rarely exercises, and a good percentage suggests consistent exercising. And from these two parameters, we'll try to determine his body shape score. Well, not the literal shape, but more like in fitness terms, as suggested.
Your studies show that 95% of your body shape has to do with what you eat and not how you work out.
Now, what I'll do is account 95% from the person's diet and 5% from his exercise, and add both of these percentages to get a body shape score. And to make things more simple, let's take an example. So this person's diet percentage is 70 and exercise percentage is 80. So 95% of 70, which is 66.5, and 5% of 80, which is 4, which results in 70.5. And that's the body shape score of this person. Now what I'll do is take a group of 1,000 people and randomly assign their diet and exercise in percentages. To perform an experiment, what could be a good body shape score? Let's take 70 for instance. Now from this computer simulation, I selected those people who had a body shape score greater than 70. And for these selected people, I computed their average exercise percentage. What I observed was that after performing this whole experiment for 100 times, the global average exercising percentage was approximately 52. Which is a bit counterintuitive because even though exercising just accounts for 5% in the body shape score, it still holds a significant percentage for every selected person. The problem is that at first glance, according to this, it seems that exercising doesn't really matter. And people think, oh, just 5%, then I shouldn't do it. Like,
it's too late now, I remember everything.
Stop! Do not exercise. Please don't. I really want you to hear me about this.
you see, that's the problem. These 10-20 second advertisements leave a huge impact. And I'm not saying these advertisements are wrong, but I think they're partially correct and influences people the other way. But maybe if you enroll in these Mindvalley's programs, they'll give you the full insights. But all of these programs are really expensive. And I mean really expensive. So what's the conclusion then? In a little thought experiment, as it seems, a little inclusion of 5% from the exercise does not reveal the bigger picture. And if you want to get more intuition about how small percentages impact largely on the bigger picture, watch this Veritasium's video. And that's the video from where I got the idea of this video in the first place. And I know that people would say, what if you maintain a higher diet percentage, like 95 to 100? Is exercising then really necessary? And to answer that question, I would say let's be a little bit practical. To maintain that sort of percentage, you have to all the time eat only the good stuff. And you cannot even take a single bite of junk food, and that which will ruin your percentage. But let's consider if you even maintain that sort of percentage. What then? Then I think your body would naturally want to exercise in some sort of way, and you wouldn't even notice. And I know that this answer is not satisfying, but that's what I think. And in the end, just maintain a good diet and exercise percentage. That's enough. And don't let yourself get washed away in the wrong way.